Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, with the week starting to a bearish tone for the Australian dollar, the market overnight plummeted further and reaches its objective not at 72.25 but at 71.85 with an intraday low of 71.83. In light of the technical pattern, it still appears to be pretty much negative in terms of the fact that the RSI has married up with the MACD and therefore looks towards 71.25 to 30, with the 60-day moving average being contested. Let's see how the market plays into today. Looking at the euro, the market was a little bit firmer overnight, but still the upside take was still relatively weak. After it posting an intraday high of 109.93, the market has dropped back to 109.39 this morning in New York. Let's see how the market plays, due to the fact is that I'm still looking to the downside and down towards the region of 108.65, and with the objective still remaining around 107.50.85. Dollar yen still pushing higher and now breaks in towards the 118 region and looking towards 118.55 as a potential target. This market is extremely overstretched, and I feel this is probably the last uptake to the challenge and may find a rejection from 118.55. If so, should give opportunity for another down test and look back towards the region of the low 117. Sterling still weighing a little bit to the downside, and that is the market is still looking towards that support level around 129.40-45, but I feel from there could see a rebound. I'm not in terms of bearish at these levels. There is bullish divergence, and with that I feel the market could take a snap to the upside and eventually look towards the region of 131.20-30. In light of the bullish divergence, sterling Kiwi has come through stronger overnight and now pushing higher towards its objective, which is around 194.20.50. Currently at 192.5, I feel the market can now challenge 193.25 and then push on to its objective, as I mentioned, at 194.20.50. Gold has taken out the level of 1,960 overnight and now gives room for a further slide. That is towards 1,940 as the first objective. If this level fails to hold, then I'm looking there further to the downside of 1,900 and reassess from there. Wrapping up with oil, the market challenged the level of $100 a barrel and briefly touched a low around 97.95 overnight. In light of the pattern, it's still negative. I still feel the market will weigh on this support around this 100, although we didn't get a strong break, but I feel the market will eventually decline and look towards $96 a barrel, with $88 a barrel looking under. So let's see if the market can weigh further. With the technicals married up to the negative case, could see that eventuate. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please look out for the intraday report and the end of the day wrap later today.